Okay, clean it up quickly with machines.
On the roof, too.
In the background below, cut the grass.
Okay.
Let's get this grass cut down.
This yard will be spotless.
Mower's done, yard's clean. House looks better already. All clear, great job, team. All right, team, let's assess the damage. We can fix this. The foundation looks solid, but the roof needs work. I'll check the interior. Let's get started. All right, let's get this roof replaced. It needs a lot of work. Got it. Everyone start bringing up the new shingles. It looks beautiful. It's okay now.
A few moments later.
What is this place? That eye is glowing. Okay, let's review this. The snake head is the entrance. The scales on the body are textured wood panels.
The windows are stained glass and smoke is coming from the chimney.
I'll note the material strengths. Looks innovative.
Wow, this place is incredible. Let's check the rooms.
Yeah, the serpent theme is wild.
And the bedroom is so cozy.
Everything works perfectly. And
Okay, let's check the water pressure.
sounds good. I'll check the toilet flush.
And this tub looks nice and deep.
Yeah, it's perfect for relaxing.
Great, I feel comfortable here.